Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about segmenting your lists. Let's get started. You probably built your email list since you have started your business. If you have thousands of emails that you have on your list, then it would be best to organize your list into segments. List segmentation breaks your email list into smaller and targeted lists. It gives marketers the ability to send emails containing offers and content that is personalized to give customers what they want. List segmentation increases open rates, limit unsubscribes from people not interested in certain emails you send, and it drives more sales for your business. Here are some common ways to segment your lists. Demographic data. When you have the most common demographic data of people in your list, like gender, age, and location, you can easily segment your list based on those data. People who subscribe from your lists may have different geographic locations where they live. Segmenting them based on location will allow you to send targeted emails that apply to people who live in a certain location. Next, purchase activity. You can check the consumer's behavior for their past purchases, buying frequency, and abandoned carts. Creating a segment list for these subscribers will allow you to create an email dedicated to encouraging them to purchase right away. Purchase history. If you have an e-commerce website, you can access your customers' buying history. It can give you access to the information that can help you decide who among your subscribers can be interested in the new product that you will be releasing. Doing this will help turn your subscribers into long-term, loyal customers. Abandoned cart. It is common for people to visit e-commerce websites and browse their products for some things they can be interested in. They can add multiple items to their carts and they won't take action, possibly because they got distracted or have to attend to something, and as a result, they have left the items on the cart. For these instances, it's good to make a segment list dedicated to reminding your subscribers to get back to their abandoned cart, so that they can take action and check out to purchase your products. Monitor the email addresses who open your campaigns among all the subscribers on your list. You would know who is interested in what you offer. You can create a separate list for these people who deserves to receive the promotions that you offer. They are more likely to take action and purchase your product offers in the first place. Also, you can monitor the links or call to actions that have the highest clicks. Doing this will help you determine what among your offers are clicked on most of the time. Personalizing your emails and segmenting your lists helps your business grow your sales, connect with your subscribers on a personal level, and build long-lasting business relationships with your customers. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about using surveys to improve engagement. Let's get started. People receive tons of emails every day. They might be ignoring your email promotions, maybe because they are no longer interested in the emails that they receive from you. This can affect your sender reputation. To improve that, you can make a survey that can interest your subscribers to answer some questions that can be relevant to them. Surveys are helpful to boost subscriber engagement. People are willing to give their opinion, especially if it won't take a long time to submit it. With surveys, you can give options that will make it easier for people to choose from and submit the survey. First, determine what questions to ask. We can ask so many questions from our subscribers. You just have to choose it wisely. Make sure the questions are relevant to ask your subscribers. You can ask your subscribers what they want. Doing this will help you have an idea of what they might be interested in purchasing from your niche. You'll be able to learn what interests them. Also, you can decide on what product to launch soon and offer future campaigns based on what they like to receive from you. Make it brief. Make sure to ask questions that can be answered in just a few seconds, or that it won't even take more than 3 minutes of their time. It is wise to create surveys that are fast enough to make people engage with their surveys. Make sure that they won't be thinking of what to answer to your questions. Don't make your surveys feel like they're answering an essay question. They need to see the available options that they can choose from to finish answering your surveys faster. Next, set their expectations. Before they decide on taking your survey, you can make them interested first. The first question is the most important one that should spark their interest. If it bores them or it doesn't interest them, then they could just ignore your survey and not take them. It's a good practice to inform them how long it is to take your survey, so that they won't be surprised at how many questions you have that have more than 2 pages in length. Next, give an incentive. Give your subscribers an incentive as they fill out your survey. Incentives can give out a feeling of an irresistible offer. Doing this will give your subscribers the motivation to take and finish your survey. They can start answering your questions, but if they don't feel like finishing it, it will be easier to ignore the remaining questions and close your survey. Give them something that they can expect to have after answering and submitting your survey. Remember that their time is precious and you have the option to give them a free coupon in exchange for their time. People will be willing to do anything and give up a few minutes just to get a free coupon. Take time to create your survey that will be relevant to your subscribers. Surveys can help your business to get more engagement when people don't engage anymore on the emails you send them at a certain time. Now that you know about using surveys to improve engagement, we can now proceed to the next topic, split testing emails. I'll see you there. Hello guys. In this lesson, we're going to talk about split testing emails. Let's get started. You need to test emails with what works or not. You don't want to create product promotions where it is not appealing to your subscribers. Split testing your emails allows you to compare 2 versions of your emails. It gives you an opportunity to see if it works. Use it to test every aspect of your email, like your email heading, content, links, and call to actions. You want to test and analyze your promotional emails to decrease the risk of unsuccessful email marketing campaigns. Now let's take a look at what you can test. First, subject headlines. This is the first part of your email that your subscribers will be able to see. If your subject headline is not even making your subscribers take a second look, your crafted emails won't be tested accurately. So make sure to craft your subject headline to be eye-catching. Next, images. After making your subject headline attract your subscribers to click on your email, you can optimize your visuals inside your mail. You can test what image gets more engagement. Next, content. You can try to test a different set of text in your email body. You can see if what content is most appealing to your subscribers. You can monitor if a shorter message can generate more engagement than longer content. Call to actions. Once your subject headlines and text are optimized, you must make your call to action optimized too. Doing this will let you test your call to actions if it gets more clicks from your subscribers. You're aware that call to actions are important so that you can redirect your subscribers to your landing page. You can test the color of what gets most clicks and also the call to action text as well. Social media buttons. You may notice social media buttons at the end of an email content. This will help you get more people in your social media account so they can follow you. You can test different buttons to see what gets more clicks. Next, the delivery time and date. You can switch the delivery time and date your emails are sent. Try to test what time and day subscribers on your list are more likely to engage with your email. This way, you can schedule email campaigns at the right time and day. You'll be able to know the time that most of your subscribers are online. Now let's take a look on what are the steps you should take to split test your emails. First, determine what to test. One way to have a successful split testing on your emails is to have a basis for doing the test. But remember, you need to test one at a time. Check your statistics. By looking at the statistical data, you will know what among your emails needs to improve. Next, set goals. Determine the result that you want to get from your split test. That way, you will know what outcome you can try to improve on to increase your subscribers' engagement on your emails. And finally, split test your emails. Start the testing and compare the results with your goals. Once you have the results, you'll determine which email you can use in your email campaigns that has the most engagement. Experiment on what you could test in your mails. Remember to pick one variable to split test. Test one at a time only. Determine your goal to know the results that you must achieve in your tests. And lastly, don't be in a rush to get the results. Give it time to produce enough data to determine the success of the split testing.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.